One of the newest skincare creams on the market is the Centellian24 Madeca Cream. And let me tell you guys, I am seriously impressed. It is very moisturizing and nourishing to the skin. It advertises the anti-aging moisturizer. It's literally science in a tube, okay? It's got the collagen, the hyaluronic acid, the elastin. So let me show you this. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. It's not heavy at all. Just kind of apply it at will. Don't forget the neck, right? So right off the bat, I get like this plant type smell, okay, from it, which is very light. I don't think it's overbearing, and I could have it wrong. I mean, really, I can't read Korean, but it does feel really nice on my skin. And one of the things that I have found out about a lot of these beauty products is when I wear them, I feel better, I feel confident, and my skin looks great, right? Like, I'm hydration city right now. I'm feeling like I'm ready to go out, and I don't wear a lot of makeup, so that's why I really like this stuff. I think you should check it out if you're even halfway curious. Centellian24 Madeca Cream. Check this one out. You're gonna love it.